afternoon. Welcome to Options Tender. If you are new here, go down to that bottom right hand corner, hit that Options Tender logo, and subscribe. We're going to go through a quick SPX update. This about 1 hour before the closing bell. We'll go on the daily and the 65-minute chart. So here we are on the daily. We price had a B, C, smaller ABC going into what I think is going to be a wave A to down to a wave B. It might be really shallow. It might be deeper. Not sure. It all depends on how far this A wave is going to go. And then back up to a C to complete this move up into some sort of flat pattern or a triangle. So here's what we're looking for in the big picture. The larger wave A in the yellow, B, C, and that might be in a triangle form or a deeper C going into a flat before we start heading higher. And this we might also be looking for A, B, C, D, E in a bigger triangle before we start moving up higher. So MACD is starting to cross. We're starting to get a bullish cross on the MACD. We're coming into resistance here on the RSI, so something to look for. If we start to break above this, then we'll be definitely bullish on that scenario. We're getting close. If we close above, we'll be over the 100 MA and also pushing off of this resistance, gapped up above, held that resistance, now support, and pushing off of there. And I suppose we're looking at this downtrend line or this 50-day moving average as the next stop before we start maybe either consolidating before move up or actual retracement back. So going on a 65-minute, get a closer look, and then we'll give you guys a nice day off. So if we look at this from maybe this, say, like a setup, left shoulder, head, and then we pull back to a right shoulder, then we'll have a head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder setup. So we don't know if we're just going to break right through this downtrend line and go and start breaking above and holding and maybe consolidating and heading higher. That's always a possibility. But we are starting to get a little overbought in the RSI. The MACD is still not crossover to the bearish side, and we're starting to go above the expected move for the week. So, we'll see what we do at this trend line here. That's a good objective spot to go short, but very, very temporarily. I wouldn't do it at the end of the day unless you're super brave. But yeah, that's all we want to show. Still got a lot of confluence here. If we do start breaking above this trend line, you still have that 200 moving period, 200 period moving average in this gap above, and this 1618 would be our final target there to back test not only this trend line back here, but if this were a 1, 2, and this would be wave 3, that'd be a typical spot for us to actually complete our wave 3, in this case an ABC. All right, so that's it, you guys. Hope this helps. Have a great rest of the trading day, and we'll talk to you soon.